guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing 2 more unboxings that'll be uploaded at the same time roughly. They are both Alltel phones, actually. So here is one. It is a LG AX. Let's take a look at the exact model. I have one of these on Verizon. This is the AX8370. I have a Verizon version, but I didn't realize it had an Alltel version, so I picked this one up from a seller on eBay. He gave me the best condition one out of 6 of them, if I remember right. And it was $15.99 for the phone and like $4 shipping, I think, if I remember right. It does work, as you can see. Sweet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next one.